All right, good evening. Let's try that again, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Come one, come all. We are live. I had my camera, it was not wanting to work for some reason. So I had to kill the stream, redo everything. Looking at the market here. Looks like we are holding a move to the upside. I might be tempted to. It might take a long here actually. Looks like we are setting up for a long. That's a good long right there. See if we can get tagged in, get the market to move back up here. ES is breaking to the downside, but Nasdaq is going up. Gonna take a long here. This is on a funded account. Oh, are you kidding me? You're gonna come a couple ticks away and wait, 62.50, 2 ticks away. You gotta be kidding me. You're not gonna fill me out? What is this? What is this madness? There we go. Should be getting tagged in here shortly. Looking to just take this rejection off of VWAP here. ES is moving down though, so it's kind of a little bit sus, but it's okay. Stop loss just right below here. Looking to see us get the continuation up from the bulls. Get this to continue moving on up, ladies and gentlemen. Can the bulls come on through, run it back to the highs? Jeez, every time I gotta hop on here, it's like I got a cough or something. Kind of annoying. Looks like we had a bit of momentum there, but we're gonna hold on to this, see what the market wants to do. We're holding on. Do the bulls come through here? Or did they not? Oh shoot, they did not come through. Well, I immediately stopped out. ES moving to the downside. I think that's what's bringing Nasdaq down. I was up $200. If I would have just taken my normal base hit, I actually would have gotten that as a dub. But I wanted a little bit more, got a little bit greedy there, so that's unfortunate. He's just moving down here. I'm down 300. Wow. I guess there was slippage. That's some crazy slippage though. Some crazy slippage. ES is just trying to go lower. I mean, we got 29,950s if the market wants to continue going up, but ES kind of holding us down. Looks like we are kind of showing some weakness here, so let's just see how the bulls play. Are they trying to fill this gap, or they move on down? You got this 29,800s down here. Can't believe we just didn't continue going up. But it is what it is. Sometimes that's how the cookie crumbles. Sometimes how the cookie crumbles. See if you want to hold some support here. Run it back up. No, excuse me. Sorry, folks. Let's see. That would be 40 points up here. Oh, not quite exactly. That would put... He'd have to come up in 90. That would be 40 points. I think as long as we can hold support here, the Bulls might try to come back through. Looking like the Bears are winning though, so just give it a bit. Hopefully my mic is on. Okay, it is. Just gotta be sure that it was on. I one stream forgot to turn on my mic. It was off, and well, I've done it a couple times, I'll be honest, where I was streaming just talking to myself, and then I realized that my mic was off the whole time, and I was like, well, I just said a whole lot to nobody, so I was like, oh. Yeah, it sucked, but it's alright. Dustin, how's it going? Hey, man. Welcome, welcome. What time is it on your end? I think you are, you don't live in the U.S. You're from Europe. I'm doing good, man. I'm tired too. Tell you what. I've just been relentlessly working on my craft, trying to pump out content. It's a whole nother mindset now too, though. Just trying to get everything set and ready, whatnot, the whole jazz. Getting everything ready. Oh snap. Are you holding... Is VWAP going to turn into resistance? Are they going to go down? This is not looking good. Dang. Okay, so it's 11... 12, 11 year end. My guy. Go get some sleep, dude. Gotta be fresh for... I would say tomorrow, but technically, I guess for you, it's today for you, not tomorrow. Oh, let me mute myself. Don't want you to hear that aura filled. Oh, snap. Looks like this account's toast. All right. Bears have come through. Hey, yes, sir. I will be alive. I mean, I'm gonna be alive. I will be live. I will be live for Asia. Oh boy. I mean, sorry, not Asia. I will be live from New York. I will be live. Oh, did we just get a dump? So is this a... Have a good night, man. Have a good one. Did I just get taken out and then the market's now gonna pump? Looks like that's what we're getting. Ain't no way. Market just dumped immediately just to stop me out and then go up. Well, sometimes that's just how it goes. Sometimes you're the hammer, sometimes you're the nail. I don't want to chase that. That was a violent sell for a bit there. It just had to go stop me out first and then go up. Coming back into the zone, so I think the boss is still... Ooh, I spoke too soon. I spoke if too soon. Let me take it back, what I just said. I spoke too soon. We're just moving on down now. Ugh. ES moving down too. I mean, that's an indication if we're not going down, you know. Explosive lows. What a nasty stair stepper. Stair stepper to death. Or stair stepper of death is what I like to categorize it as. ES had a pretty good little mini bear flag that played out from 73 to 66. Played out pretty good. We got 29,800s coming up. New candle at about minute 30. Coming into a demand zone here, just a previous area where we had support. So it's gonna be quite a bit of a battle to get down here. Bears are trying to, well, bulls are trying to get them close back up here, but never mind. We're getting some spikes, folks. But while the market is doing that, let's check to see what news do we have tomorrow. Tomorrow we have nothing. No news tomorrow. No news tomorrow. Interesting. Interesting. Let's go check out the daily chart though. We are, forming on a daily chart, forming the bull flag. You had a pretty big resistance zone right here. So are we gonna chop here for a bit, or do we continue moving on up tomorrow? Just some things I guess to think about. Found in this area, if they hold the bear flag here, you're looking at this level down here next. But knowing sometimes the market can be wild, I wouldn't be surprised if it just absolutely reversed here. I mean, we've been seeing a lot of that here lately, so you know, hold your don't get too hopeful, I guess. That's what I should be saying. Oh, great. We're moving back on up, folks. What's happening? We're gonna get one green candle, and then the next one that prints is just gonna drop. No way. Is it really going to reverse here? Keeping my hands off for now. That's a pretty good move though. That's what is that? There's some 6. I mean, from 6 all the way to 39. I mean, that's 33-point move. That's solid. This is pretty good for Asia. I mean, if you can catch 30 points any day, that's pretty solid. I'll take that any day. Matter of fact, I'll take that every day. 30 points winning though, obviously not losing. Who wants to lose? Not me. Not me. Starting to get this bear flag, but I don't like the way we just moved out that quick. We'll let it play out. Let it do its thing. Trying to get a bear flag forming here. Do the bears hold it down here? I mean, we're under VWAP, and we're starting to form it here, right? You got a strong move down, now you're forming it. But what I don't want to see is the market just reverse here. That would not be good. Hold on, folks. Oh yeah, maybe the lighting's better. I'm getting beamed by the lighting. It's like just two suns in my eyes. I'm gonna need some sunglasses here. We get a big move and now we're not moving at all. This is Asia. This is Asia, folks. Get a 70-point move. Oof. It's not a good 3-minute close. I don't like that. I don't like that. New 5-minute here in about 20 seconds. As always, folks, there are delays on my stream, so do not copy any of my trades. Do not, because I just blew one account, which completely my fault. I did not stick to my base hits, because if I would have taken my base hit, I would have gotten $200, but I got kind of greedy, and you know, when you get greedy, that's when things start to go downhill. I'll be honest there. 5-minute close above 80 May. He is breaking out of the kind of bottom range, moving on up. I mean, what are we getting with V reversal now? What are we getting? Good old V reversal. Coming up to test VWAP now. Sometimes, I would say though, pullbacks are not always perfect, right? There's really no setup that is perfect. Because in reality, what would be perfect for this bear flag? At least, just my opinion, I would have loved to have seen us have this candle right here. Close red, print green, retest, I mean maybe break 40, but leave it wick. And then we drop down, right? But now we just are moving back up, and it looks like we're starting to form a V reversal. We don't have a really wake up here on this candle, so I don't think it'd be good to go short just yet. But I don't want to get in long here too, because this would just be chasing. The moment that I go long here, it's going to absolutely just tank. It's looking like it's kind of trying to play a reversal too. But we'll just have to wait and see. Getting some decent spikes up, and then we're moving right back down. Whoa. What's happening? We just shot down 10 points. It's 10 points, but what is it with these spikes? There we go. Moving back down. Yo, what's going on? What are these random spikes? You know, the sound effect, the fa. I just hear the gunshot, and then I hear that going off. Somebody went long here. Didn't have their stop loss. Getting super happy, and then you just hear the gunshot, you know, that and then it's just like, bah! You hear that, bah! And you're like freaking out right now. Tough. That's crazy. What is it with these moves? I would say, folks, I am still 10 from my last week, getting back from my trip to Seattle. Oh shoot, what's going on? I think they're trying to cover this move here. No wig. We are now hanging out at VWAP. I think the balls have come through. They didn't push through there. It's only been a minute since we've opened this candle. Crazy. Hey, yo, bears are coming right through. ES not quite moving down with authority yet, too, though. ES kind of holding up. Oof. Are the bears taking control again here? Okay, yes, and moving incongruence. Oh, oh, oh. There we go, breaking down. I think they want to close it down. If they close down here, it's a good spot for the Bears to come through and flush it back down to 29-8. This pullback though was pretty nasty. How do we react to this? He is moving on down as well. There we go. Yo, Bears are coming in through quick. What a move up, what a move down. It's pretty nasty. These moves, you're talking 50 points. I mean, almost 50 points, right? 55 to, give or take 50 points. 50 points one way, 50 points back down the other. That's crazy. ES and NASDAQ not really looking too kind of the same. Oh, yo. What just happened? I was not gonna lie, I was tempted to go long down here, waiting to see an opportunity kind of play out. But I wanted to see us retest the levels again. What is going on? We're now approaching a previous short-term little resistance and a little support here. We rejected off of this here on the 3 minute. 5 minutes just barcoding. Not the best. He is kind of moving back up here as well. Whoa, okay, here we go. What's happening? What is happening? Well, we are retesting VWAP again. I think this is where the bulls take control. You're looking at the targets up there. Love to see us kind of pull back. It's 35 back into this level. And then have them just keep pushing on up. Got about 20 seconds until we open up a new candle here. Eight, I think the bulls are back. It's gonna be a little bit choppy here. There's not really a wick up here, so we might be reapproaching the highs. It's such an ugly formation right now. VWAP's testing us. Higher low though. I think if the bears wanted to take control, they should have just continued flushing it. Not to say that they can't come back down to 29.8, but just this huge bounce off. That sucks. It's not pretty. Got about minute 5 seconds before we open up a new 3 minute candle. So I think would love to see this close red. Have another candle try to flush it and then just gang on up, because I think this is turning to a one pullback rip up. So you're talking something like, that's kind of a far stretch of a TP, to be honest, but if the bulls get it. Something like this, right? Which I don't think I would target all the way up there yet. Probably going to be targeting above these. There we go. I'm in. We'll play this here. See if we can just have this be a little one pullback. And then we just continue pumping it. Oh, that's not the best close, but we'll take it. Looking for us to just hold this little mini bull flag. Then we just continue ripping on up. Honestly, probably gonna target 51s. I would imagine it's gonna be quite a bit of a fight to try to break above 55, because we rejected hard off of there. So if we do get just a strong move up, I think would be good. ES not moving up yet, so I'll just have to wait to see how this plays out here. This will probably be the last trade I take, though. Whatever happens here, I'll probably just call it after that. Obviously want to win this trade here, but can't win them all, right? We got a good move up. Can the bulls come through? VWAP's just holding us down so ever strongly here, but if we can break above VWAP and close above, which VWAP right now is what I have is that blue line. I think if we can close above that 45, basically break above 45, should be a pretty clean shot to 50. Right now I'm kind of stalling out though. Not looking good, folks. Looks like I might be getting stopped here. It ain't looking good. Not at all. Do the bulls have enough juice to hold it here and then push back above VWAP? Let's push to 51, 50. Just got to get the bulls to come through. I don't want them testing the lows of this wick here for this candle again. I want to see them push right through 45 here, and we push up to 50. We're holding here, so it looks better. In 5 minute, it doesn't really look that good, but on this 3 minute, it's kind of better. It's just that I just don't like the fact that we are trying to fight through VWAP now. Would rather see us break it through here, but we'll just have to wait and see what happens. I mean, what can I do? Can the Bulls come through here? Take my stop loss. Okay, it's 50 ticks. Good. All right, can we break above 45? Close above it. It's not looking good. Turn it into somewhat of a resistance. I don't like that. We broke above it for just a brief moment. Bears are not letting up. 5 minute is looking really solid for a bear flag, not gonna lie, but on this 3 minute, showing the complete opposite. Let's just wait and see how ES plays out. ES is still hanging up at the top of the range. Interesting. Oh. Well, that's not a beautiful open for on a 5 minute. Another little gap. Ooh. Can we get this 3 minute to close above 45? The Bulls have about 30 seconds here to close it above. I'm looking at the ask here as well. 44.50. I'm 44. Let's get the close above 45. I'm not seeing 75 pop up here if you're following my mouse. 43, 75. Bears are doing everything they can right now to hold this down. Okay, a better close on the 3 minute. We're above it now. 45, there we go. Can we get this just to push above to 51.50? Oh, there we go. I'm gonna de-risk now. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, right? You're gonna come a couple ticks away from my TP and not give it to me? Literally 1 point away. You gotta be kidding me. No, come on. You're right there. Don't do this to me, NASDAQ. Come on. Don't do this to me. Oh, all right. Well. All right, I'm taking something from that. Ah, dude. That's such a 1 point away. One freaking point away. What is that? Oh, now it's gonna go. I chickened out. Man, what a bummer. I mean, I would take 126. You know what? Fine with me. This account's at 1,000 now. Oh, but that's so frustrating. Popped up. We're literally 1 tick away. I mean, one point. Sorry, not 1 tick. 1 point away. Tragic, tragic. That's just, oh, now it's going back up. That's just disgusting, folks. go. There we go. There's my TP that was hit. Just had to fiddle around first. It's alright though, I took something from it, so I guess I can't be really too mad. I guess I can't get mad. How much did I leave on the table though? So that was 44. About another $100. Eh. Was truly unfortunate, but I mean, bulls come through here, they break through 55, you're looking at 75. What a slow move now. 5 minute close to... I'll just show you guys. How about that? Oh, no, don't. I'm not trying to get back in. 5 minute closed up here, so looking good for a bullish move again. But I mean, you kind of have a little gap. They're just very minor gaps, but... This is Asia session. Oh, sorry. I don't know why I'm yawning so much, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know why. This is my other account, the one that I'm really focused on. I mean, I'm already past the 5 days that are required to take a payout. It's just that my balance is not there yet. So technically, if I make 3,500 tomorrow, I could. I mean, if I make above 2,100, I can request a payout, but I would rather try to get 1,000. So try to be smart with that. This account's basically there too. We're now at 1,000 the balance. I don't think I'm gonna touch this account tomorrow. Kind of sucks that I did not capture that. I mean, I got spooked out. What can I say? Still happens. The right thing to do was to just let it play out, but just kind of going based off of, I guess, my past experiences when I've moved to break even and just left my stop there. My break even stop. Always, I'm good. I would say probably 80% of the time, I always get taken out for break even. But the ones that I don't take for break even, hey, they go, right? But I'm not gonna cry about only taking 126. It's pretty solid. So it just kind of sucks taking these small profits. I mean, base hits are great. That's my bread and butter, but it really just sucks at times just taking it slow, right? Which that shouldn't be the case. Because if I have, I'm working on trying to get funded on some other accounts as well. So once I have multiple funded accounts, that's where being slow would pay off. But when you're talking about just having like one account, I mean, I have two right now. I just blew one, so I have technically two funded. Well, not technically, but I only have two funded accounts now, and I just have to be smart with trading them. Really wish we would have just shot it right back up, but unfortunately that's not the case. So here's the predicament that we are in right now. Have a huge sell. I mean, there's the tiniest wick, but you got that up here, and then you also have the same thing down here, right? There's the smallest little wick for this candle. So is this where we play the range tonight? We bounce between 29,875, I mean 80 and 800, 80 point bounces, you know, or 80 point range. Moving so ever so slowly. Whoa. Okay. Not really big move. That was what? 6 points. 6 points, but this is just random little spikes. Kind of annoying, to be honest, if you ask me. A little bit annoying. Huge amounts up. We do a little minor gap down here, so I think this is where the bears take control again. There we go. Yeah, I mean, there you go. There you go, folks. What a move. But I think that's probably where we're going to be calling it for the night. I mean, blue one account. I mean, that account was basically gone either way, so that's not the right mindset to be going into it. Should have tried saving it. But one is done. Really going to be focusing on this one tomorrow. This one I'm already up 126, so I initially only wanted to get it above 1,000, so I mean, I'm not mad because I am now above 1,000. But if you did tune in, I appreciate you tuning in. Guys, I will be streaming again tomorrow morning for the New York session for about 30 minutes before I gotta hit the gym. And I will stream again the afternoon session. So other than that, you have a good night. Be smart about your trading, and we will see you tomorrow morning.